So today we're going to be reading our story, That Cat Max, and we're going to be listening for our ah sound, like an apple. That Cat Max is written by Lisa Charlesworth and illustrated by Stephen Lewis. That Cat Max. I am a fan of that cat, Max. Why? I'm having a blast. Max can play catch. Max can cut the grass, daffodils and pansies. That hat is fab. Max can chat with Sandy Black about her brand new tan hat. Max can do crafts. He made that fancy basket. Max can do math. He adds and subtracts super fast. Max can cook ham and mashed yams in a little black pan. Max can drive the van to the snack stand. The apple pie there is grand. Pam's snack stand. Max has talent. He can tap and rap. Rat-a-tat-tat. I'm one cool cat, and that is that. Max can also play sax in my dad's jazz band. The Snazzy Pants. Snap, snap. Max can even act like an acrobat. Clap, clap. But the best thing Max can do is nap on my lap. Man, I love that cat, Max. Thank you for reading with me today.